Back here with a look at Bitcoin. You can see this wedge forming up here. Right, we got a wedge forming on Bitcoin. This is on the 12-hour chart, and we're either looking for a correction to continue to the downside or a break to the upside here. All right, we're going to take a look at this in just a second. I'm going to show you the crypto bubbles over here. If you would, please hit that like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that very, very much, guys. We have a huge alt season coming. All right, this is kind of like the warm-up phase, like a pitcher on the mound, I guess, warming up for the game. But it is definitely coming. Bitcoin dominance, it has finally turned bearish on the monthly RSI. Right down here. 98.2 and then 99.2. Right? We've been looking for it to break this yellow support line and start collapsing after it hit the 618. And sure enough, it hit the 618 Fibonacci. And that's where we're having a reaction at. Okay, this thing is definitely struggling up here to 1618. We're going on a weekly. You can see here it's been all right. We got a lower high coming in. These two highs, these 2 weeks here, just barely hit the 618. You had a wick up through here, and now so far this week here is just about over, and that was our high for right there. Or I'm sorry, I apologize. I believe it just started down here. It's at 20, so that would just be starting. Okay, but the candle close was lower than the week before on here, so looking like it's getting weaker. The weekly RSI is bearish and heading to the downside. So Bitcoin dominance, we definitely want to see that break structure and get an alt season rolling here. Now if we take a look at this wedge, if we get some fib numbers on it in here, alright, you can see here we've hit a 618 numerous times and a 702. Alright, then we're typical retracement levels where you'll bounce back up to either break through them or get rejected and roll over. Alright, you could have an ABC pattern coming in here. The target for that ABC, we'll put it down around $84,000. Let's put a line down here. Alright, that could potentially be working out in here. We're going to take a look at some RSIs here, but that would be an A, a B, and then the final C leg down here, and that would complete a corrective structure and then a move to the upside. Now this is a wave 4, and wave 4s typically have ABCs in them. Right, look at this. It's a pretty massive wedge. It's been going on here for quite a while. Now if we pull this out a little bit and look at this thing, you can see that this thing, let's get the Elliott waves on here. Oops, there we go. You can see you have a 1, 2, 3. It's more likely going to pull that ABC, and then a fifth wave up here. The target for that fifth wave is up around 102,000. All right, this fifth wave, that's probably when all the altcoins are going to start taking off hardcore, and stuff is really going to start running. But I personally would be looking for an ABC here out of Bitcoin. The RSIs, the 4-hour is just about reset. Over on your daily, it's at a 68 and 72, bearish. The weekly, still bullish, 100 and a 96, and of course your monthly, 67 and a 57. The monthly looks great. The only thing that concerns me with Bitcoin and these monthlies is look at this. Right, back in 2017 you had that high. 2021 lower high. Now, yeah, so far a lower high here. Lower highs every year on this thing, and you got this low. Right, you're getting obviously lower lows coming in here. Right, you got this low here. This is the Bitcoin RSI here, so you have bearish divergence over the years forming on this thing. So is Bitcoin coming up for a major pullback after this? Hard to say. We'll definitely keep an eye on that. But I'll be watching for an ABC pattern, like I said, to be forming out of here. If this wedge would break to the upside, all right, the target for that thing would end up being. And the deeper the correction, the higher the target we're going to have. All right, let's get this off here. If it would break to the upside, your target for that would be up at what we got, about 97. Right, so I would definitely be watching for a breakdown. All right, please hit that like and subscribe, guys. If you're looking for a site with no KYC or VPN, you're looking at the link in the description of the video. There's a site over there. You don't have to use any of that stuff, and you can sign up for a leverage trading site by joining a level 3 membership. You get over 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting, and a link to the Discord where we have over 200 members over there. So you'll learn a lot, and we got some very great people over there. Have a great day, everybody.